Everything that is on a reel or a drum can be adjusted. We are talking about metal contacts, SMDs and cables. Here is one of the professional devices that allows us to do so, the Mora 5. With the assistance of Mora 5, we can rewind electrical cables, wires and fiber optic cables from one drum to another to your desired length without damaging or breaking them. This machine is equipped with a laser sight and microprocessor management system that ensures optimal pressure and accurate positioning of the cable. Both Mora 5 and skilled employee make sure your cables arrive in great shape. What else goes on reel? Metal strip mounted terminals. Here we have a full manufacturer's reel that contains 6,000 contacts. What if you don't need that many? Don't worry, TME got you covered. Our trained staff will cut and rewind those contacts into an eco-friendly reel that protects them during the shipment. Say goodbye to origami folded reels that look like scrap metal in a cardboard box. Surface mount devices are the core of your project, and as you guessed, they come in reels and in large quantities. However, if you order from TME, we can tailor your order. We adjust, measure and cut everything according to your requirements. We even managed to optimize our packaging process and minimize the amount of sections. But that's not all. For orders above 1,000 elements, we attach leader tapes from both sides free of charge. This is just one of many great customer services that TME provides. In the future, we will cover more of them. If you think your friend or company can benefit from it, share it with them. TME, you need it, we have it.